Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Sony MDR-ZX110A. So these are wired on-ear headsets which you can use when you're traveling around, and in this video we're going to tell you about the top 5 features of this headphone. So the first thing is the form factor of these headphones. They are on-ear headphones, which means that they have a pretty compact design, unlike over-ear headphones, so they can easily fit inside your handbag or even a backpack. The second feature is that these headphones are actually quite portable because of its foldable design. The third feature of this headset is that it comes with an L-shaped 3.5 mm connector, which is also gold-plated. Now, the useful thing about an L-shaped connector is that when you're gaming with your mobile, the shape of this connector will make it so that the end of the connector doesn't actually jam into your palm, which can be a pretty uncomfortable experience if the connector is not L-shaped and is just straight. The fourth feature of this headset is its ear cups, which is made out of this soft foam material along with a pretty breathable material on the top, which means that your ears shouldn't get hot even after extended periods of usage. Now let's move on to the fifth feature of this headset. So this headset can actually be extended quite a lot when it comes to the headband. So if you have a smaller head, you can simply wear it at the tightest fitting and then just move it as you go. If your head is bigger, you can even maximize the headband extension. So these were the top 5 features of the Sony MDR-ZX110A headphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.